Good morning, guys. It's Sarah Biggers-Stewart from the Biggers, the Better, and CLOVE and HALLOW. I thought that I would do a glam makeup tutorial today, recreating a look I posted about the other day. I'm hoping I can get through this before my battery dies, so I'm actually going to not talk through it, and I'll do a voiceover later. So I hope you guys enjoy this look, and let's jump into it. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is start out with the CLOVE and HALLOW Liquid Skin Tint. I mixed mine in with a drop of illuminator because I didn't want anything too matte for this look. You'll see I get pretty glowy later on. So I'm just blending that out and then going in with a light wash of concealer under my eyes, but not anything heavy because as you'll see, this is more of a prep step. So I'm blending that in, just making sure to get it all nice and even. I don't want any cakey areas. And then I'm going to go in basically with a powder and set the same area I just concealed because I'm going in with eyeshadow, and so I want to make sure if there's any eyeshadow fallout that I can wipe it off with the excess powder really easily. So going in with that eyeshadow palette, I'm taking the caramel matte color, caramel whatever, and I'm feathering that into my crease with a fluffy brush using soft, gentle, continuous windshield wiper motions and kind of flicking it out in a bit of a cat eye shape. Then I'm going in with a darker brown color and I am just putting that into like the outer V area, so almost like the outer third, using the same motions but really making a V shape connecting the top of my eyelid to the bottom of my eyelid. And then I am going to go in with the champagne shade and I'm just going to apply that all over the lid for a really pretty wash of color. Honestly, you could use any of the shimmery pearl shades in the palette, but the champagne one was what I was feeling today, so that is what I went with. It gives the most amazing sort of like buttery finish, metallic, without being too extra, and I love that there's no like discernible glitter because glitter in eyeshadow is not my jam. So I just went in with a bit of eyeshadow, or I'm sorry, a brow gel, just to add a little bit of definition to my brows because they're a bit cray-cray. So liner, guys, I'm not going to focus on this too long. I could do a whole video about liner. If you want to see that, let me know. But basically I'm applying sort of a thick wings liner because I'm going to add lashes. And if you're going to put lashes on, God help you if you don't use liner. That is a pro move, y'all. So liner it is. I'm applying a quick coat of mascara because if you don't do that and you put on fake lashes, especially if you have lighter colored natural lashes like I do, they're not going to look blended and they're going to look a little wonky. So apply mascara. And then I'm going into more concealing since last time what I did was just like a spot under my eyes. I actually mixed the regular CLOVE and HALLOW Conceal and Correct with a lighter shade of another product because I wanted a more highlighted shade, but usually I would just use like plain CLOVE and HALLOW Conceal and Correct. I'm blending it out here, trying to keep it away from like my upper lash line because as you see, I just smudged my mascara and I have fine lines up there, so I want to avoid excess product. Stamping it where you want more coverage, for example on my chin and jaw breakouts. Just making sure everything's nice and blended before I go in with my Cabo CLOVE and HALLOW bronzer, the perfect bronzer for fair skin. And I'm doing that 3 shape, temple, cheekbone, jawline, to sort of do bronzing, which is contouring meets bronzer. Now I'm going in with my Hydratint in Nakey, so really great sort of like peachy neutral color. And I'm just going to blend 2 dots into each cheek, and it gives a really pretty, natural, subdued flush. But when I dress up and go glam, I like to add a pop of brighter color. So this is an Honest Beauty blush and Truly Thrilling, and I'm putting it just on the apples. This is a really great tip if you want to look youthful. Here I'm applying a little bit of highlighter, illuminating glow, whatever you want to call it, to the high points of my face and then just blending it in. This is a product I can't really talk about yet, but you could definitely use our Hydraglow serum from CLOVE and HALLOW to achieve the same effect. So lashes, guys, the reason I'm holding these up is Demi Wispy is what you want. If you get just the regular, they're going to be really intense.
For lip liner, I'm going in with like a rosy neutral. If you want more of a nude lip, which looks phenomenal with these eyes, then go in with more of a nude liner. But I was feeling rosy today. Actually, that's a lie. I didn't feel rosy. I just didn't have my nude one. I left it somewhere. Who knows where. So I'm just filling in my lips there, creating a defined outline, and then I'll be back.
All right, guys. I went and blew out my hair because I felt like y'all deserved that from me. And now I'm just applying a little bit more lip gloss. And that is the finished look. The fake lashes really take it over the top to like a glam look. Even without them though, it's a really pretty look. It's just a little bit more subtle. So if you don't like looking as bam, skip the lashes. As I said, pretty much everything in this video is clean. A lot of it was CLOVE and HALLOW. I will list out the products in the caption or down box or wherever this is posted. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you did, so I know to post more full-length tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.